In Silver Spring, Maryland, homeowners are constantly looking for ways to improve the comfort and efficiency of their homes. One of the most effective upgrades you can make is window replacement. Not only does replacing your windows enhance the appearance of your home, but it also offers significant benefits when it comes to energy efficiency. Let's take a closer look at why window replacement is a smart choice for homeowners in Silver Spring who want to reduce their energy bills, increase comfort, and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Improved insulation and temperature control. One of the biggest advantages of replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient models is improved insulation. Older windows often have gaps and seals that allow air to escape, making it harder to maintain a consistent temperature indoors. This leads to drafts, uneven temperatures, and higher energy consumption as your HVAC system works harder to compensate. Energy-efficient windows are designed to provide better insulation, keeping the warm air in during the winter and the cool air in during the summer. With advanced materials like double or triple glazing and low emissivity, low E coatings, these windows create a barrier that helps prevent heat transfer. As a result, your home remains more comfortable year-round, and your energy usage is reduced, which leads to lower utility bills. Lower heating and cooling costs. In Silver Spring, the hot and humid summers and cold winters can put a strain on your energy bills. Air conditioning units often have to run longer during the summer to cool the house, and heating systems may work overtime during the winter to keep you warm. With energy-efficient windows, you can reduce the amount of heat that enters or escapes your home, making it easier to control the indoor temperature. As a result, your heating and cooling systems won't have to work as hard, leading to significant savings on your monthly energy bills. Many homeowners who opt for window replacement report a noticeable reduction in their energy consumption and expenses. In fact, according to the U.S. Department of Energy, replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can cut heating and cooling costs by as much as 25–30%. Reduced carbon footprint. In today's environmentally conscious world, reducing your carbon footprint is a priority for many homeowners. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you are making a positive impact on the environment. Modern windows are designed to prevent the loss of energy and help reduce the overall demand for electricity or natural gas to heat or cool your home. The energy savings you achieve by replacing your windows not only reduce your personal carbon footprint, but they also help decrease the demand for energy at a larger scale. This, in turn, reduces the overall greenhouse gas emissions associated with electricity production. For homeowners who are committed to sustainable living, window replacement is a key step toward a more eco-friendly home. Enhanced home comfort. Energy-efficient windows do more than just save you money. They also make your home more comfortable. One of the key benefits of new windows is the reduction of drafts. Cold spots, especially near windows and doors, are a common complaint with older windows, especially in Silver Spring's climate where temperatures fluctuate dramatically. New windows help eliminate drafts, ensuring that the temperature in each room stays consistent. In addition to improving temperature regulation, many modern windows also reduce outside noise. Double or triple glazed windows, in particular, offer superior soundproofing, which is especially valuable in urban areas like Silver Spring. Whether you're working from home, relaxing, or trying to sleep, reducing outside noise can make your home a much more peaceful and enjoyable space. Increased home value. Another long-term benefit of window replacement is the potential to increase the value of your home. Energy-efficient upgrades, such as replacing outdated windows, are highly attractive to prospective buyers. Not only will they appreciate the aesthetic appeal of the new windows, but they'll also recognize the potential savings on future energy bills. Energy-efficient homes are in demand, and making this investment can provide a strong return if you decide to sell in the future. UV protection and fade prevention. Energy-efficient windows are equipped with low-E coatings that help block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays from the sun. Over time, UV rays can cause fading and deterioration of your furniture, flooring, and other valuables. By installing new windows with UV protection, you can prevent this damage and extend the life of your home's interior. Conclusion. If you're a homeowner in Silver Spring, window replacement offers a wide range of benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. From reducing your heating and cooling costs to improving your home's comfort and sustainability, upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency. Not only will you save money and contribute to a greener environment, but you'll also enjoy a more comfortable living space for years to come. If you're considering window replacement, now is the perfect time to make the change and reap the rewards of an energy-efficient home.